Alexandra Palace is 150 years old, and obviously when it was built by the Victorians, sustainability wouldn't have been at the top of the agenda, but it very much is now. We feel the responsibility of ensuring that this building is here in the next 150 years, but is limiting its impact on the planet very keenly.
My name's Oliver Smith and I'm a Programme Coordinator at Salix Finance. Our goal is to really contribute to saving carbon in the public sector. The project at Alexandra Palace is making a lot of carbon savings. It's about 140 tonnes per year, and it's about £80,000 a year that is being saved on the electricity bill. That all gets repaid in a loan to Salix Finance, and then once that's repaid, the savings are recuperated by the council, so it's Haringey Council here at Alexandra Palace. It's important for us to take buildings like this that have such cultural importance and have been such a mainstay of the past into the future.
We are a heritage building, and therefore we've got to work so much harder to become sustainable for the future. The lighting system is burning a lot of energy, and that's why we look to Salix to be able to access funds to upgrade the systems and bring them into this century. It's been such a really collaborative approach between Salix and Alexandra Palace. Alexandra Palace is not an easy building, it's quite a complex place to work, but Salix managed to understand all of that very well and were fantastic in the journey with us.